Hey guys, Lynette here, and in today's video we're going to be unboxing the Walmart Beauty Box. So let's get in and let's get into the box. Alright guys, welcome back. So like I said, we're opening up the Walmart Beauty Box. Now for those of you who don't know, Walmart has a beauty box. Yes, they do. They actually have a Walmart Beauty Box, which is $5 every season. So this box here, it's hot off the press of my mailbox. This one is actually for the winter. They're not as fast as I wish they would be for the season, but I actually love my last box, and you can check that out if you want to kind of see what like other reviews for Walmart Beauty Box. That's definitely on my blog, so you guys can check that out just to see what kind of things that come in it. But it's actually free and you're paying for shipping. So for $5, I think it definitely gives benefit. That last box was my first box and it was definitely beneficial for me, and it was definitely worth $5. So every month you get, well, sorry, not every month, but every season. So you just get this box 4 times a year. There's no subscription. I mean, there is a subscription, but they just basically try to charge your card, but it's not like a monthly subscription. So it's totally different in my eyes. So this is what it comes in. It comes in a box and it says here, Walmart Beauty. And then let me see if we can figure out, put it upside down. Okay, so every month you get different items. So this one is gonna be geared more so for winter. And at the top it says, here's to self-care and skincare, to an inner glow and outer glow. Here's to good hair days and don't care days. Here's to you. So that's what it says at the very top. And then if you look there, basically that's everything that's in this season's box. So I'll start with the very hugest one. This one is from Aveeno, and this is moisturizing lotion, hand and body. It's in Spanish, but I understand Spanish, so that's why I was able to figure that out. And then this says, let me see, it's just moisturizing hand and body, elasticity, softness, nutrition. So basically that's what that is. And then let me try to see. So there is some. Let me try to see how this one smells. It has like a fresh coconut, not coconut, but it does say it's like oatmeal scented. It definitely has like a fresh scent. So let's definitely get use out of this. This is a pretty big bottle for it being a lotion bottle. So that's one thing. And then if you've never tried, I've actually never tried this. Let me know. I'm probably crazy, but let me know if you guys have ever tried this. This is those Neutrogena facial wipes makeup remover. I know people swear by this, but I usually use that. What is it called? I use like this wipe thing that I got from FabFitFun, where it's a miracle wipe, or makeup remover. What is it called? I can't think of it, but it's basically a wipe and you just wash it one time and you can take your face, and it's reusable for like 100 washes or something, 100 times. I forget. Magic eraser, not magic, it's something like that. I can't think about it, but it's right in my bathroom. That's usually what I use just to save. So I don't have all these wipes all over, but I swear, I heard people swear by this. So I definitely will get use out of that. I'll actually give it a try today. And then next up we have here from Color Club. This is a nail color, and it looks like it's Take It On or Leap It. So that's the color there. Very neutral, but it's cute, so I don't mind it. Like a pastel, you see it's like a pastel pink color, nice for Easter. So good timing on that one. And the next one we have here is from Degree. This is a dry Motion Sense dry spray, and this is ultra clear and black and white. So I don't know what that means, but at least we can give this one a try. So let me see. It has like a powdery scent to it, not like as I'm spraying it into my light. Not a strong scent, but we can use this. I haven't used like spray deodorant in a long time, so I definitely will get use out of that. So that's not bad. You can definitely get a good use out of this here. And then last but not least, we have from NYX Cosmetics. This is, it says Makeup Crew on it. And then let me see what this one is here. If we can get the package open. I left my scissors away, so we have to figure out an alternative here. Let me see. I definitely know I gotta get the box cutters for the next box here. Okay, so then we have 2 lip colors. So one is Soft Matte Lip Cream, And these are both in the color California. So this is just that. And let me see if we can get a color scheme for this one. Okay, this is a pretty color. So that's good. That's one, and this is just matte lip cream. Then the next one is the same color, but this is a metallic lip cream. So we'll see what the difference is between the two. And you can tell the difference right off the bat. So the metallic is at the top, and then the other one is at the bottom. So there you go. So I don't know if you guys can see that very well on the camera, but I can. The top is lighter than the bottom. So not bad, and I will definitely use those colors, so not mad at all. All right, so let us do a recap and see what all came in the Walmart box. So of course we have our two lip colors there. They're lip colors. Then we have our nail polish, and then we have our hand and body lotion, and we have Degree, and then we have the Neutrogena facial wipe. And with every box, they do give you like coupons if you wanted to get like a discount on any of the products. So you see that there. And then there's discounts on the other side for any of the items. So you guys, what did you guys think about this box, or this season, I guess? I love it because, like I said, it's not like a big deal because it's just $5, and you guys get to try new products that came out for this season. So let me know in the comment section below if you've ever tried Walmart Beauty Box. Do you still got Walmart Beauty Box? Did you love this season? What do you guys think? Definitely let me know in the comment section below. And with that being said, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss another video. And you guys enjoy the rest of your day, guys. Have a good day, guys.